Hi lovers, how are you all doing? It's another beautiful day. Welcome back again to today's video. If you're seeing us here for the first time, this is Chichi Lifestyle, a new YouTuber based in Plateau State, please. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you in the name of God, please support me by clicking the subscribe button, please, I beg you with everything you serve. Please, okay, please do me well by subscribing to my channel, okay? So I promise you not regret it, please, okay, please. So in today's video we are making okra soup. It has been long that I cook okra soup, so I think I'm going to be doing that now because my children, they love okra soup so much. So I'm going to be doing that right now, okay? So as you can see, I'm washing my meat already. I'm washing my meat. I have on my charcoal already, and my charcoal has catch already. So I'm going to be adding my meat in the pot. So I do like this. You keep it by the side so you cannot block the camera. Okay? Yeah. Please like the video, okay? Help me subscribe, okay? Comment to the videos so that YouTube will be able to pushing it out for me, okay? Please. I beg you guys with the name of God, okay? So putting our meat. We are going to washing our fish. So our fish is ready. I'm going to be removing the bones and eat. So guys, as you can see, I've added everything. Now I'm going to allow you to cook. Let them marry each other. And we'll check later. So guys, this is the okra that we're going to be using to make our soup. Yeah. So we're going to be using this one, okra, to make the soup. So we're going to be cutting it right now. Okay. It's fly. It's fly. Hey guys, so I'm cutting the okra. I'm cutting the okra right now. Hmm? Another one. I've taken a lot of time, supposed to finish by now, but I'm busy doing other things. Today is really occupied. Today is really occupied. So I'm doing everything possible. So this is how we cut the okra. There are some people that blend it, but I'm cutting my own with knife. Yeah, because I don't have blender. I don't know if I have blender. I'll be able to use blender. I don't know. I've not tried it before. I'm not trying using blender. You get so. Please, if you're watching this video to this extent, that means enjoyed the video, please, okay, do me well by subscribing to the channel, okay. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to be doing jump. You understand? I'm going to be skipping it, so I don't want it to be too long. Let me not waste your guys' time. This time around, that I took also. Took us. So you just small. So guys, our soup is almost ready, but not ready yet. Yeah, I'm just putting the okra. So guys, this is ugu. This is ugu leaf vegetable. That is ugu, right? So, do you think I should use it too? What do you think? Do you think I should use all? Or yes, right? Should I? Should I? Yeah, it's not much. Just not that much. I use it too. Yeah. My baby too dey shine. My baby too dey shine. My baby like shine. Would you shine? Would you? Are you shine? Daddy. That is my shoe. So soup is ready. Oh. Yeah, it's ready. Guys, our soup is ready. Come join me. Let's have lunch.